Inside this video, I'm going to show you how to put together a video clip of you and add it to a real video template so that you can increase brand awareness by showing up on video more. I just filmed this 10-second or less video that is introducing one of the real videos that we have inside the membership. So now I'm going to show you exactly how to piece together your video plus the real video template, creating a more personalized real video. Have you heard other people say that this real estate market is crazy right now? It's not crazy. I'm going to share with you how you can navigate through this market in order to buy or sell and fulfill your real estate goals in 2022. Check it out. Create a reel and select the videos from your camera roll that you want to include in your reel. Have you heard other people say that this real estate market is... Once you've added all of the videos that you want to create in your reel, the reel will now begin to play. And this is what you are seeing right now. Click the next button when you are finished uploading all of the videos into your reel. Edit the cover of your video by dragging the bar to the frame of the video that you would like to appear as your cover on the newsfeed. Add a caption and share.